Hello, everyone. It is Leslie, aka Sky. How y'all doing? I swear, it's like when I do decide to do a Skycast, a podcast, it's always like, what do they call that? True. I can't say the word. I can't pronounce it. Just a random, like, oh, I feel like saying something. It's not planned, in other words. So excuse the messiness, because we keep it real over here at Skycasting 101 / modern simplicity. Today, I want to talk about cleaning. I want to talk about OCD. I want to talk about being a clean freak who is not a freak. Because I just got done washing as usual. I have this thing about the bathroom. I'm a clean freak, okay? But I have this thing about the bathroom has to be clean 24/7. Like it has to feel clean. It has to look clean. I'm obsessive about cleaning it. And it makes me feel better knowing it is clean. And I live with 2 men. I'm the only woman in the house. But are you like that? Is anybody a clean freak? Is anybody obsessive about cleaning? Right now I'm cleaning the bath mat. I just scrubbed the bathroom shower walls. And scrub them where they're going to, you know what I mean, clean them. And then I scrubbed the bathtub and did the floor, did the sink, the toilet. There is one, this is just so random. This is going to be a helpful little podcast too for people that love cleaning. There's another thing about me. If you want to know more about me, I have this thing about cleaning. I love cleaning products. It makes me happy to buy some, you know what I mean? And laundry detergent. I have a thing about that too. It makes me happy. Look, going downstairs for a change, seeing more than one detergent, even though I have a preference. Okay. There's this one bathroom cleaner spray, and I have a couple different ones. I always go back to, it's an Amazon type brand one. I'll leave a link if I remember. If you don't see the links right away when I put the video up, that means I'm busy. I'll get to it though by the end of the day, hopefully. So come back later if you want to know Leslie Sky's recommendations, just like an influencer, which I'm probably not. But anyway, excuse me, allergies. Keeping it real. I love this one. I go back to it all the time. It smells clean. It feels clean when I use it. It's like I believe disinfectant too. There's something about it. I love it. I always go, and it's not. It's affordable. It's affordable. Can't think of the name right now, but I'll try to insert the name in a caption or I'll put it down below the video. Love that one. I always go back to that one. And then there's also a toilet bowl cleaner that I love. I'm all about smell. It's got to have a fresh smell. I can't tolerate a lot of smells. I get migraines or headaches. But I love it. I believe Lysol makes it. It's a toilet bowl cleaner. And once again, it's affordable. Now I will say laundry-wise, there's 2 favorite, 3. My number one laundry detergent is Arm & Hammer Clean Burst. I love the smell. It's just so comfy and fresh, not overpowering. I don't like flowery, but Arm & Hammer Clean Burst. I recommend that highly. And I just ended up starting to buy this because my husband will not buy it. My daughter, and she doesn't live here, but, when growing up she did. Of course, this sounds stupid. But my daughter and my husband are allergic to Tide, so I could never use Tide. Finally, in my older age, I'm like, you know what? You only live once. Go for it. So I now have Tide. I like using Tide for things around the house, like say white or ivory rugs. If I had white sheets, which I don't have ivory sheets now, but draperies, anything that's white, I find that Tide is like magic. I love Tide for cleaning stuff that's not clothes. Now, every once in a while, I will clean my stuff with Tide because I don't believe I'm allergic to it. But my husband, don't use Tide. I'm like, I'm not going to use it on your clothes, so don't freak out. I love Tide. It's an oldie but goodie. It's an OG. So yeah, that's my second recommendation, laundry wise. Third is a product by Purex called Lily and Linen. Oh my God. Girl. Girl. The smell is just, oh, it's so pretty. I love the smell of it. Which leads me to think I like the smell of lilies. I want to make me a lily pillow spray. I don't know, but that might be too much though, because I can get headaches from even scents that I love. But yeah, Lilies and Linen Purex. Try that one. It's in a green bottle. So that's my 3 recommendations for what do you guys all use? Now I do also have a couple more. I kind of stocked up. Kind of like a present to myself, if you will. That's how exciting my life is. I gifted myself the gift of laundry detergent to have a little variety in my life. I have Purex Mountain Fresh or something like that down there. Big, huge thing of it. A big, huge thing of Purex Morning, what's it called? Morning Fresh or something. And my Lilies and Linen. And then I have my Tide. And then I have some Tide Pods. And then I have my Clean Burst Arm & Hammer. So I recommend all of those, you know. It's your preference, what you like. But yeah, that makes me happy. What other products do I like that are cleaning products? What other products do? I think it's Mr. Clean. I use a lot of I've been trying different varieties of the liquid cleaner. You know, you add it to your water because I wash my kitchen floor, I swear, almost every day because my dog is out there a lot. She's 18 and a half, young, but she spends a lot of time now in her elder. It's hard to explain, but during the day she's with me in the living room if I'm out here with her blankies. But at night she tends to sleep out there. You know, I have the potty pads and everything in case she needs them at night because she's elderly. But I'm very clean, and I want her to be in a clean environment too as well. And it's the kitchen. So I'm like, I swear almost every day I'm washing, no lie, on my hands and knees or sitting down on the floor. That didn't sound right. I don't use a mop. I've tried it, and I just always end up going back to old school, getting down on the floor and washing the floor, you know. I wish I was one of these people because it would make my life a lot easier because I'm 65, for God's sakes. But anyway, so yeah, I have some, oh God, we're almost at 10 minutes, aren't we? Let me go actually into my very unprofessional. You're supposed to picture me sitting behind my more expensive microphone, which I don't have it hooked up yet. But yeah, I do like, which one is this? One I'm really liking is Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean Liquid Cleaner. Oh, it's the blue one. Oh, I don't have the name on it. Which one is it? Mr. Clean with Febreze. I can't see the name. I'll have to look it up later. But it's the blue one. And then there's a green one. And that one I think is called Mountain Fresh. Maybe I'm wrong on that one. There's a lot of mountain names. I have that. I don't have that in a bottle anymore because I have it in a sprayer bottle. Love that one too for cleaning the floor. Also, lately I've been using Lysol Power Clean Multi-Surface Cleaner Sparkling Lemon and Sunflower Accent Scent. Smells nice. It's like a summer day as a kid out in your yard and you see all the flowers. I don't know why, I just love that. Another cleaner, I'm like a spray cleaner, is Mr. Clean Pro. That's a lemon scent one. One I don't recommend that I don't like, believe it or not, is one called Lysol Ocean Mist Bathroom Bleach Foam. I do not like the smell at all. Yeah. Now, another thing I love using in the bathtub to clean it is soft scrub, Oxy. Love that. And okay, another thing, we have a newer refrigerator, and stainless steel is hard to keep clean and hard to keep everybody's fingerprints off. But I highly recommend Zep makes a lot of good products. Zep stainless steel cleaner and polish. I love, and it's only $4.99. It's worth it. So don't spend all that money. They charge an arm and a leg usually. These different brands for doing your stainless steel off, and don't. Zep is really good. What else? Oh, okay. And this is my tip of the day. Leslie's tip of the day. Buy you a really, really, really good heavy duty spray bottle. Get you a bottle of good old OG white vinegar. Put it in that spray bottle. Get some paper towel or a soft cloth. Girl and man, you're good to go. I switched over from window cleaners to white vinegar for my mirrors, my glass, my windows. It does not streak. It gets them super clean. I will not go back to using window cleaner. I've gotten expensive ones before and they streak. So get you some, and it's good to even use around your house too, and baking soda. But yeah, I'm telling you, yeah. So that's some recommendations. I'm an influencer today, not really, but like I said, I love cleaning products. I love a clean house. I will say though, in my older age, lately this last year, not so much loving cleaning at all. Actually, I hate doing dishes now. I don't have a dishwasher. I am the dishwasher. I live with two men, like I said. Constantly, these men are eating. That sounds awful to say. Like, they're not like overeaters or nothing, but they're just, men. They eat a lot more than women. I'm so sick of doing dishes. I feel like I do dishes a million times a day. I just want to scream when I walk in there and there's more dishes. So excuse me, I try to keep the dishes done as they're going. So in other words, if I go out there right now, even though I did the dishes this morning, if I see 2 plates in there, I'm going to wash them right away. If I see 2 plates in a pan, I'm going to wash them right away. That way it doesn't pile up. But still, if you can imagine, I'm going out there getting frustrated because every time I'm turning around, I got to do dishes. Sorry, I had a vent for a minute. But yeah, what chore don't you like doing? Because I sure don't. Yeah. But yeah, I'm finding I don't enjoy cleaning at all anymore. But it's got to be done. If I don't do it, it won't be done. Anyways, leave me some of your favorite cleaning products. Comment below. And also, what products have you tried that you don't like? Leave it down below. Are you OCD like me about cleaning the house every day? Yeah. So, yeah, this actually, I had more to say than I thought I was going to say. On that note, I'm going to take another little break and check my laundry because I always have laundry to do too. And our water bill in the city is going up in September and it's already extremely high. Can I scream? Okay, y'all have a good day. Stay safe. Clean your house, whatever, or don't. And I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you for coming by. You could have gone anywhere on YouTube, but you chose my little tiny station channel to stop by and listen. So I hope you got something out of this, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.